If you've stumbled upon the Mirinda.com and found yourself drawn in by their stylish and affordable clothing, from trendy blazers, cute jumpsuits, and summer-ready beachwear to elegant dresses and casual tops, you're definitely not the only one. Their website feels like a fashion lover's paradise, offering something for every style, all at prices that seem almost too good to be true. But here's the thing, sometimes when something looks too perfect, there's a catch. In this video, I take a closer look to find out whether Mirinda Australia is actually a trustworthy online store or just another questionable site luring customers in with slick designs and no real backing. There are some serious concerns that stood out during my review, starting with the fact that their domain was only registered on February 16, 2025, which makes them a brand new player in the online retail space, often a warning sign. Even more concerning is the complete lack of transparency, no company ownership details, no business registration info, and absolutely no customer reviews available on their site or on trusted platforms like Trustpilot. On top of that, many of their product photos are exact copies found on other unknown or low-reputation sites, which raises questions about the originality or even the existence of the products they're showcasing. This doesn't outright confirm it's a scam, but it doesn't scream reliable either.